my friends. In this tutorial, we're going to show you step by step how to get to the best Las Vegas package for $99 for 4 people. And you're just going to love it. So stay tuned. It's a tutorial, screenshot, and review and guide. Hello, my friends. We're going to show you how to book the Las Vegas vacation from here. Basically, start from bookvip.com. This is a tutorial. Where do you find this? You find it at google.com. Okay, so you have to go to bookvip.com, and that's how you're going to book the Las Vegas vacation. So this is a tutorial, the best vacation packages. You click on the first one, it brings you to bookvip.com. That's what you have to enter. Okay, we showed you this just now. Then you type in Las Vegas, which is the second step, Nevada, United States, and you hit search. Okay, remember, there are going to be a lot of packages, and I'm going to show you Las Vegas, Nevada packages. The first one is a $99 package for 4 days, 3 nights for 4 people. $100 flat rate, 4 days, 3 nights, hotel accommodation, world-class Westgate. The second package is $199, 3 nights, 4 days, 2-bedroom suite, and you get cash back for $200. So you pay $200 and you get cash back to spend at this resort for $200. There's some great packages. So what we advertised was the first one, and you scroll down. If you scroll all the way down, you can see all the packages for Las Vegas. So when it says Las Vegas vacation deals, the very first one is the deal of the day. And 100% of the time, maybe I would say 90% of the time, these deals are available to you. $99, 4 days, 3 nights for 4 people. That includes $100 gift to you as a gaming chip. So if you like gambling, they give you free gaming poker chips. You can read more about the hotel here and why you should stay here. You can reserve at $39. If you like the deal and you want to read more about it, always click on the view deal. When you click on view deal, it'll bring you to the Westgate Las Vegas Hotel and Casino package. So click on it, and basically here it is. Spend 3 nights in luxury accommodation, includes $100 in promotional gaming chips. And then this tutorial will tell you how to read this. So world-class entertainment and restaurants are provided. You have to pay for the entertainment and restaurants. Okay, it's right in the center. If you like what you see, you pay. And this is a drop-down, travel option box. Right now, just hit the Xbox because we're not really into it right now. We're just trying to see what the deal is about. If you want to buy any deal on bookvip.com, hit reserve it now. Hit reserve it now when you want to buy. Okay? So it's very easy. These are the pictures of the hotel. You go through one by one. Look where you're at the dead center. It's the most beautiful hotel you've ever seen in the attractions. And right now, it's a good time to go. Everybody is concerned of COVID-19. They're not crowded, so you're going to have a lot of what is known as social distancing. A lot of people are not traveling, so it's the best time to go and cheapest time. So wear a mask, take your friends, have a good time. Don't stop living, We're going to go through these pictures. We're just clicking. This is the Westgate. Beautiful hotel. It has everything. Beautiful amenities. Bathroom is clean, nice, state of the art. Sociability. There's a lot of privacy as well. If you wanted, this is the hotel. And we're just clicking through it. World class restaurants of Japanese, Chinese, whatever you like. Spa and massage is available, but you'll have to pay for that. So each package is different. This is the casino. People love to gamble here, and you get $100 worth of chips for free. So you can gamble away $100 for free. That's their package. So this is the world-class train. They have shuttle service to guide you around this area. They have a nice recreational spa, a lounging area for pool, food, and it's universally well rated. Everything in Book VIP, we give 100 stars. You get a free gym. Westgate is the hotel. Remember, you can read more about any hotel. Most of the time, they have what are known as these video diaries, and they're on YouTube. These video diaries, you can see why choose bookvip.com. So I will try to lower the volume because it gets really loud.
Book VIP did a great job of giving us an accurate representation of what the resort was going to be about. We got a phenomenal deal and had a great time.
We booked through Book VIP and they made everything so easy. Picked us up at the airport and everything's been great since we've been here.
Book VIP, I went online and was booked just like that.
What we just showed you was a little bit of a video diary that they have done. They don't offer tutorials like us. We're a tutorial. They tell you the hotel overview, so you can read about your hotel. You know, why is it the best? And they boast a lot, which is great. Right here, they'll tell you what type of food they have. In this package, food is not included, but for 4 days and 3 nights, for 4 people, you can stay here. That's unbelievable. That's a flat rate, $100. So you give $100 bill and you go to this great amenities. So when you scroll down the hotel details, always read the hotel details because you want to know what type of bedroom you have. If you want a king for 2, you'll select king for 2 people. A bed, 1 single bed, king size. If you have 4 people, you want 2 beds in the same room. So you're going to make these selections. And we're just telling you how to read and book the best for you. These are the restaurant photos. So remember, always check out every detail of the hotel and the package. It's 100% well rated, reviewed. People think this is not true. This is true. I have booked from here, so don't worry about this. This is actually here for you. In Las Vegas, generally each hotel costs like $100 per night, or maybe $500. It can go up to, but in this case, it's the best. So what do you have? Medical services if you get sick. You have a therapist and massage if you get tired. Roaming around this beautiful casino area. The tennis courts are available. You'll never get bored. Beauty and salon and fine dining, you know, concierge services. Reserve it now, you know, always. Reserve it now is how you buy the package. Remember that. And these deals are even there on New Year's Eve. You'll see these different blogs of people on YouTube that they say they loved it. We're here to tutor you. We're not here to say we loved it. We're here to tutor you how to read the package, okay? So we're not going to show you those YouTube blogs. You can go at your own time. And I'm going slow so you understand there are many YouTube videos that you're seeing and looking at, you know. So, as it says, Book VIP customer review for Westgate Las Vegas Hotel and Casino. There are many reviews. You're just going to love this website. And 1 million people have booked, and we're going to show you. And 4 million people have actually talked about this website. It's on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. So what you get is what you see, and it's totally awesome. So it brings us down here. This is the 1-800 number, Facebook, YouTube, accreditation of Better Business Bureau, meaning they are well in partnership. This is a legitimate and fair, well-rated opportunity to go to Las Vegas or anywhere else that they give on these packages. Okay, they have top family vacations and you know, travel stories and reviews. I'm gonna show you something cool about this. Okay, so click on bookvip.com. If you go to Las Vegas again, and sometimes it'll drop it down. It doesn't drop down quick enough. That means you typed really quickly. So you just put Las, and it brings the drop down box, and hit search again. It'll bring you back to the same page we were at. Each hotel is different, and I'm going to show you the second hotel. This is a Tahiti Village. They have a price tag at $159. Why? Because they have a kitchenette. Okay, in the other hotel you didn't get a kitchen. If you don't like to cook, it doesn't matter. But if you want a kitchen in your apartment and you like to cook because you're going to be there 4 days and 3 nights, that matters. Then you have 2 Las Vegas show tickets that they're giving free for 4 people. So that means you get 2 tickets free, but you have to pay for the other 2. But it's a 4-day stay and 3 nights flat for 4 people for $159. So why should you book this with its kitchenette and 2 free tickets? Okay? But it depends. You may not be looking for a kitchenette and you may not looking for show tickets. It just depends upon you. Either way, every deal is a great deal. Every deal is a great deal. Reserve it for $39. So you click on these view deals and you hit the reservation button. Remember, this definitely is a different package. $199. 8 people sleep in the same 2-bedroom suite with a couch. Okay, so basically, and they give you $200 resort credit, meaning you get $200 to go to the free spa and eat or do whatever you want at this resort, at this hotel. Okay, so sometimes they have promotions. See, And the one at the top, they didn't have that. They just have $100 gaming chips for casinos because most people want to go to a casino when they come to Las Vegas. So every deal is different. You just want to book the best one for you. And remember always to click view deal. When you click view deal, make sure it's the price package you looked at, $200. Now I'm going to show you something very, very cool. I'm going to X out of this because this is just an advertisement basically. Right here, this is what people love. These places, people love this. $300 book VIP credit is what you get. $300 book VIP credit is what you get. Okay? That means what they do is give you $300 to book on this website again for free. You can book this trip again if you want for free because they give you a credit. Understand? Or you can book any other credit. Vacation, $100 resort credit. And that's cash. So it's amazing. This is the Tahiti Village. We'll show it to you now. You see the different promotional packages. Book VIP offers vacations for up to 77% off the retail rate. That's exactly what they do in this tutorial. We'll tell you that. And you can read every little advertisement you want. The hotel is the best, scenic front and tourist attractions. They'll show you. You stay in 2 massive bedroom suites. They basically are like apartments, very big and spacious, as you see. You're not going to have a small little room. Look how living room, kitchen, dining room, bathroom. It's just beautiful. It's not small, my friends. It's not small at all. Always remember that, So we did a review for Las Vegas last time, but what happened is the volume on our sound was exceptionally low. I don't know why that happened, so we redid it for you, and that's fine. Beautiful, beautiful lagoon area. The pictures on your Facebook and Twitter, entertainment is the best, and you'll be at the pool, and this can be free. You don't have to pay for that. But the spa area, as we said, they gave you $100 resort, right? So it's basically free. Use it, Have a massage. Credit del Sol is their live entertainment. Again, use the credit for free. And so that's how this promotional advertisement works. There are multiple hotels, so many that you're never going to have a day where you say, oh, everything is booked. And look at the beauty, world class. If you were to go to the website of this hotel, Tahiti Village, right, this one, you're not going to find this rate. They're a partnership, okay? They're a partnership with bookvip.com. You have to go through bookvip.com. That's why we're giving you this tutorial. If you go to Tahiti Village, which is this hotel, you're not going to find this credit system and everything because they're working with a promotional ad. It's an advertisement and it's a package deal. So remember that when you book through bookvip.com or we give you a review, if you go to a separate website that has similar concepts, we will not be sure why you got lost. Okay? So let's go back. They'll have the same footage everywhere. People get so bogged down about that. It's okay. It's about the same people. They can have the same videos. Don't think of it as anything wrong. So they'll describe you the 2-bedroom. They'll tell you what it has. It's a master bedroom that has fully equipped kitchen with granite countertops, mini refrigerator, microwave, coffee maker, and it sleeps 8 if you want 8 people. If you want the 1-bedroom suite for the 4 people, it'll tell you what the bedroom looks like. Okay, it's different. Okay. It is a living room with a fully equipped kitchen with a granite tops, mini fridge, microwave, and coffee maker. And again, the size is different, 80 square feet, and then this is 1,551 square feet. Everything is different. Everything is different, my friends. You have to know this, okay? So best advantage is to read everything. I'm going to go up again and hit the back button, my friends, because I want to show you a little bit more. For 8 people, and I'm sorry I double clicked, so the screen became a little blurry, but no problem. We keep on going. We don't edit anything because if you do the same mistake, I'll correct it for you here on this tutorial. If you make a mistake on your end, you won't know how to correct it. So this is another package of $199. It gives you what is known as $100 of food and $100 of Visa gift card anywhere. So you don't have to spend it in this resort. You spend $200, you got $200 back. It's like having a free vacation. You spent $200, you got $200 back. 4 days, 3 nights in a deluxe suite. It sleeps 4 people. So the downtown Grand. And it'll tell you exactly what it has, okay? Did they give you a credit for Book VIP? No. They gave you $200 back for food at their hotel, which is the Grand, and Visa gift card. So each hotel is different. I'm going to show you this quickly. And you pretty much know the idea of how to book on Book VIP and why we gave you this Las Vegas tutorial, because there are no better rates out there other than this tutorial that we're showing you. Because if you go somewhere else, you'll never ever discover what we have showed you. And what this is on to the left, this pop-up that you keep on seeing is the people that booked the deal. Your name will probably appear also when you book a deal. So every hour, I would say about 3 people book a deal on this. So it's a highly trafficked area with some amazing promotions and offers, and you'll be surprised. And remember to check out every feature. You can look at every YouTube blog you have, but we are tutorial, so we're different. We tell you how to look at this and how to read each section. Each package is different, and if you want to reserve a package, always hit the reserve it now button. Although it says sales will end, and they may or may not, it depends upon the availability, meaning they might book really fast, they might book really slow. So I'm going to show you Club 36. You understand that each hotel is different, each package is different, and we showed you what we like. Every deal is wonderful. Here's another $99 deal, and remember, this didn't give you any promotional chips, it didn't give you anything else, you know. So make the most of what you want, and this is only for 2 people. The first booking that we showed you was for 4 people. We're going to go back to it. Remember, each hotel is different, each promotion is different, but they are 100% exactly what they advertise. Book VIP does such a good job that it is almost a no-brainer. Over 1 million customers have come there. Over 4 million people have liked this. I'm going to hit bookvip.com, and it brought us to an ad which will supersede, okay? Sometimes you click and they pop up and it's okay. I'm just going to go back and act like I didn't see the pop-up because I don't edit my tutorials. If I edit my tutorials, you'll not know what happened, okay? So right here, I hit bookvip.com, and it brought me back to the same page. I want you to see free cancellations and free rescheduling. If something happens in your family, the best part is they'll reschedule for free, okay? And that is the coolest part of bookvip.com, and why you should buy their amazing vacation destination packages all the time. Sometimes I'm going to show you here all-inclusive vacations. They have what is known as all-inclusive vacations. Most of these vacations include all the food, unlimited, free for children, and a lot of other gift vouchers. You can even have credit systems to book again. So you might book this one, and you might have a credit voucher to come back and book again, $300 worth of free vacationing. Such an awesome deal on bookvip.com. But you get the idea, my friends. And remember, if you book their international trips like all-inclusive vacations, you will have to fly, so you always need to know. Bookvip.com is for vacation packages and destinations to hotel lounges. This doesn't allow what is known as for booking of airplane tickets or car rentals. So don't get bogged down by that. You can do that separately. But the best part is there's free cancellation and free rescheduling, and it is exactly what it is. It's the best website that I have ever seen in tutorial review. So we're going to say goodbye to you, give you a beautiful wave, and tell you have a happy vacation. Always check out our tutorials. Subscribe, share, and like our Facebook, please. We are new to this field, but we have researched for you for about, I would say, the last 3 years, and we found some exceptional deals, and that's why we make our tutorial. Okay? Thank you for your time. Have a great vacation. Bye-bye.